Hello babes, how are you guys today? I'm so excited about today's video because I've worked so hard to put my bedroom together the past couple of years. I went with a very glam and comfy vibe, and I wanted whites, grays, silvers, and a pop of turquoise. I cannot wait to show you around, show you all my decor, and I hope you enjoy. Let me know in a comment below if you like my room. Let's start with my bed. My bedding is a simple white fluffy comforter from Bed Bath & Beyond, and then I added the patterned sheets and the mini pillows for some texture and pop of color. I added the fur blanket at the end of the bed for that comfy lived-in vibe. That's also from Bed Bath & Beyond. And I like to layer the blankets not only because it's comfy to sleep in, but because it gives the bed some added dimension. Sheets are from Target, and the textured turquoise blanket is from HomeGoods. One of my favorite pieces in this whole room is my Z Gallery picture. Oh my gosh, when I saw this, I needed it in my room. It is sparkly, beautiful, and huge to take up space. The bed frame is from IKEA. I like how it's white and it goes against the other silver furniture really well. And various pillows on the bed are from HomeGoods, At Home, and the knot pillow is from Amazon. My chandelier is from Home Depot. I think it really looks cute with the room. I actually got it years and years ago, but it still looks really good with the vibe of the room. And this stool is from Pier 1. I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute. The rug is from Rugs USA. I like how it's patterned. I really like mixing patterns. I think that gives a lot of interest. And this over here is a little sneak peek of my beauty area. Let's go over to my side table. So on my side table, I have a picture of my dog. This is my dog that actually passed away, but I keep her by my bed all the time. And then I have some plants. These plants are just from At Home. And the coaster, I don't know where I got that from, but I love that so you don't ruin your furniture. I recommend everybody put a coaster by their bedside table. And then the lamp was actually from Meyer, and it just ties in with the color and looks really cute on the side table. And in the drawers, we have some jewelry storage here. I actually got these storage containers off Amazon, so if you would like to see a video on that, let me know. I actually have a sunglass one as well. So over in this corner by the door, we have a little sitting area. The chair is from HomeGoods. I love it because it has the rhinestones. And the little pillow was from Pier 1. Super cute with little pearls and rhinestones. And then I have my jewelry over here in this little storage unit, and it's from Target. I just added a cute little coffee cup and flowers on top to decorate it. I love how the handles pull in with the chair. It looks really nice together. The picture is from Hobby Lobby, and it just is a simple white flower. I just love it. I think it looks really cute over top of that space. So next we have the dresser area. All my furniture, by the way, is from Ashley Furniture. It's the Burlani set. It's like a silver gray, and it has crystal handles all over it. It's so glam. I love it. And here behind the dresser we have a window, so I paired some curtains from HomeGoods. They're velvet turquoise curtains, and in the middle I have like sheer white curtains just to bring in some light. And this is what's on my dresser. So I have a cute little jewelry storage. I keep my most used items on that, and then under it I have some more jewelry storage. And then we go over here, and I have some little candle holders from Hobby Lobby. I just like them for decorative purposes. And I actually made the flower arrangement. This is like an overview of what the furniture looks like. And then over here in the corner, I have a beautiful mirror I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just love the crystal detailing. I actually don't use this mirror a lot. Like, I don't actually get ready in it. I just really like the look of it. And now let's go over to the beauty area. This is one of my favorite parts of my room. It is so cute. I love the mirror. I couldn't love the mirror anymore. It's from Rain Charm. You can also get similar ones from Impressions Vanity. And I have a Hello Gorgeous sign from Hobby Lobby above the beauty area. And over here is where I store my makeup. So I just have some brushes and some lip liners and cups on top of that. And I store all my makeup in these drawers. I got this from Michael's. And then the little lamp was from Pier 1, which just adds some light and a fun little touch over here. And then over here on the vanity, I have a close-up mirror I got from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I like how it has the crystals. And then this is the famous mirror from Rain Charm. It actually can be dimmed and brightened, so I'm showing you how to dim it here. It's a Bluetooth mirror, so you can play your music. It has the temperature, the date, everything. It's great. I highly recommend this, and it is worth the money. And then the drawer in the IKEA desk is just housing all of my palettes, and it has some Q-tips, ponytail holders, tweezers, all of the stuff I need every day. The little stool is from Home Goods. It's actually a bathroom stool, but I think it looks so cute with the silver. And then we move over to the dresser. This is where I have my TV, and it's a little bit crammed right here because the door has to be able to open, but it still works. I just have some candles on top. I have it really simple on top of the dresser. I love the furniture, it's so pretty. So this is a little overview of everything. Like I said, my room is very small, but it works. And I think I filled the space really nicely and not looking overcrowded, but still looking really, really, really nice and full. Thank you all so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah!